So this is the Mountfield S461R PD. This is great for the UK market for people that really like their nice striped effect on their gardens. It's a 46cm cut. It's power drive, so it will pull itself along the ground. This comes with a snap hose connector. This is a great feature for easy maintenance. You just snap on your hose fitting, turn on the tap, start up the machine, and it will clean underneath the machine for you by swishing around the water. Also, it's got a 55-litre grass collector, and also on the grass collector we've got a grass bag full warning indicator. This mower comes with a really simple, smooth, easy to use height of cut adjustment. It starts at 20mm and goes all the way up to 70mm. For that classic striped effect on your lawn, this machine comes with a rear roller. As you can see, by removing the grass box, moving the machine round, you can see roller goes from edge to edge of the chassis. The Mountfield S461R PD is our 46cm rear roller machine, also available with electric start. So this is a Mountfield S461R PD ES. So the Mountfield S461R PD is fitted with Mountfield's own engine. It's 160cc. It's a 4-stroke engine. It uses unleaded fuel. And subject to servicing, it comes with a 5-year warranty.
For peace of mind, this machine, subject to annual servicing, has a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, and as such is supported by our Service Link helpline and 600 Service Link approved dealers across the UK and Ireland, who will be happy to carry out any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance required.